What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. This is another great video I found out because the last video I made about how you can make money with watching videos, I just talk about one website. Today I find out there's several websites that you can make money, including Netflix, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can make money on Netflix, more than $100 as a permanent job on Netflix, watching videos, and you can make money from Netflix. Now you don't have to binge watch for nothing. You can make money by being watching on videos on or movies or TV shows on Netflix. I will talk about that end of the video. Before that, including Netflix, I find the 7 websites that you can make money by watching videos. So before we get to the videos, again, if you are really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon so you will get notified. It's the same old things. And if you really like my video, guys, press the like button so it will get motivated to do more video like that. So we just jump into the video. I don't want to take you a long time, guys. I don't want to just take 10-20 minutes to explain every single app and video. It's a basic thing. You joined, watch video or do surveys or complete offers. These are the secondary main things. Watch video and earn enough points and withdraw through gift card or PayPal. That's the thing. That's a basic idea of this website. So okay, I will talk about from number 1 to end. The 7th website is Netflix. I will talk about in the end of the video. So if you really want to know all 7 websites, watch the entire video, guys. The first website we have is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is similar to other website. You can make money by watching videos, doing surveys, and completing offers, and you collect as a SP point or Swagbucks points. If you get enough points, you can withdraw using PayPal or gift card, guys. That's the same thing. So that's a final thing about this website. And you have a second, it's called Inboxpounds. If you join this network, you get 1 pound bonus point. You can make money by watching videos, doing surveys, completing offers. And number 4th is searching on the web. They paid in pennies, I think, every single search that you can make money searching on the website. If you are living in the USA, there's a website called inboxdollars.com. It's similar to this one, same website, same owners, and you get $5 bonus when you join up, guys. So the third one is called Viggle app. Is a mobile app that you can see here, Viggle. You can earn points by watching TV shows and advertisement and videos, and if you collect enough points, and you can withdraw any of these gift card, including Amazon gift card. There's a 4th one is called Quick Reward Net. I already made a video in the past. I put the link, you can go and check that. Or I also made a video about Inboxpounds. I put the link, you can go check it out, guys. So here again, you can make money by surveys, shopping offers, games and videos. So you can make money by watching video, guys. Number 5th is called creation or reward.net. Again, they will pay you $5 bonus when you sign up, and you can repeat the same thing. You watch videos and make money and withdraw the money if you have enough points is collected. And you have number 6, guys, one away from another Netflix list. Again, it's called centearning.com. It's similar to Inboxpounds, Inbox but I think it's a different website, different owners, I don't know, but you can see from here it's very much similar to this on here. But again, when you joined, you made a $5 bonus, and you can make money by watching video, doing surveys and other stuff, guys. And the number 7th is called Netflix. You don't have to go to any website, you have to go to Netflix jobs, and on the search bar there's a word you need to type. It's called taggers. Taggers are the people watch videos and write, when you go to the Netflix, there's a small descriptions and there's a categories. You need to fill those information, so user like me or Netflix user easy to find the video, the movies or TV show they want, right? That's the thing you have to do. You watch the video and you fill those informations. And right now there's no tagger jobs available in UK, USA. There's one is called available in Korean language. The tag and the mean of taggers is editorial lead or creative editorial, something like that. You can go and put the taggers meaning on Google, will give a different details. So you can see from this responsibility, watch, research, rate, and tag, annotate and write analytic report for the movie or TV contents. So the user can easily identify that. When you write these things, you need to consider a little bit both those the country situation, the politicals and the religion, everything. That's why you need to be more fluent in their language. If you are living on their country, is fine, guys. And there's no qualification actually needed. If you for the Korean, is native Korean speaking is must. For if it in USA, UK, English is native is enough. They don't need any qualification from you guys. That's the thing. Different job. This one has a different qualification, but there's a job called taggers. They put that in frequently, but you need to search continuously. If you find that one, I urge you guys to join those programs, then you can make a big amount of money for Netflix. So thanks guys for watching my videos. This is the best way to make money online, by watching videos, and it is working in 2020. So you guys, if you want to check it out, go and sign it out. Earning depend on your time, and depend on the offers, and depend on the country. So you're up to you guys. Don't just join the one network, join all 7, all 6, and wait for the 7-1. So thanks guys for watching videos. If you really like my videos, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like my videos, and see you next one, guys.